Hello everyone, I want to wish all the lovely mothers a very happy Mother's Day from everyone here at Bharti International School. I fail to understand how someone can pour their entire soul, energy, blood, and everything that is there with them into someone without expecting anything in return. And I think that I would have to reborn as a female and become a mother to understand that. For this, I salute everyone and I wish you a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Mother. Mother is the one who welcomes you first time in this world. She is the one who carries you in her belly for 9 months. She is the one who holds you in her arms for 3 years. And she is the one who always keeps you in her heart. You gave me love. You watched me grow. You taught me things that I would need to know.
You comforted me and dried my tears. You gave me laughter throughout the years.
Your wisdom and strength guided me through. Without your love, I don't know what I would do.
You taught me to care and be understanding. There were times when I was so demanding.
The constant faith you have had in me has given me wings and set me free.
My heart will always be with you. Love you, Mom.
चूल्हे की जलती रोटी सी तेज आंच में जलती माँ.
भीतर भीतर बल के फिर भी बाहर नहीं उबलती माँ.
सिर पर रखे हुए पूरा घर अपनी भूख प्यास से भी ऊपर.
घर को नया जीवन देने में धीरे धीरे गलती माँ.
नास्ति मातृ समाच्छाया नास्ति मातृ समाह गतिः नास्ति मातृसमं प्राणं नास्ति मातृ समं प्रपा.
You have been by my side since I was small.
Whenever I needed you, I just had to call.
You have nursed my wounds and calmed my fears.
Healed my heart and wiped away my tears.
You have shared my laughter and life's many joy.
Put up with my storm even when I annoy.
All that you have taught me has brought me here.
Knowing you are at my side, I feel no fear.
With all you have taught me, I'll be a good man.
For all the times I forgot to thank you.
All the special little things that you do.
For all the words that must be spoken to.
I need to tell you, Mom, how much I love you.
अंधियारी रातों में मुझको थपकी देकर कभी सुलाते.
कभी प्यार से मुझे चूमती, कभी डांट कर पास बुलाती.
सपनों के झूलों में अक्सर धीरे धीरे मुझे झुलाती. सब दुनिया से रूठ रपट कर जब मैं बेमन से सो जाता.
औले से वो चादर खींच अपने सीने मुझे लगाती.
Thank you so much, Mom, for just being you.
Thank you, Mom, for always making me your priority.
Thank you for always keeping me happy.
Thank you for always being so understanding.
Thank you for your care and immeasurable patience.
Thank you, Mom, for always being there for me.
Thank you for the support I have received from you every single day.
Thank you for forgiving me for my every single mistake.
Thank you for encouraging me in every walk of life.
Thank you for teaching me to be honest and courteous.
Thank you for everything that you do to me.
Mom, you mean the world to me.
Mom, I love you more than words can say.
Mom, you are the one who knows me inside out.
I'm so blessed to have a mom
like you. Your wisdom has shaped me into what I am today.
I know I don't say it often, but I love you so much, Mom.
ਮਾਂ ਜਿਹਾ ਅਣਚਾਹਾਂ ਬੂਟਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਆਇਆ
लेके जिस तो छाव उधारी रब ने स्वर्ग बनाया.
Mom, you are my root and my foundation of happiness.
Acceptance, tolerance, bravery and confidence is what you taught me, Mom.
There is nothing as healing and peaceful as your arms, Mom.
I cannot thank God enough to bless me with a wonderful mother like you.
This pandemic has caused a lot of distraction this year and last year too. It seems that it would be very difficult to come out of it. But believe me, if you will follow any of the quality of our mothers like endurance, love, compassion, sympathy, empathy, patience, perseverance, then I believe that very soon we'll come out of this problem. We'll come out of this hard time. क्योंकि किसी ने सच ही कहा है, रख हौसला ये वक्त भी धीरे से गुजर जाएगा. रख हौसला ये वक्त भी धीरे से गुजर जाएगा. जो लड़खड़ाया देश है वो फिर से संभल जाएगा. हैप्पी मदर्स डे.